part of the bunny blanket, I'm going to show you how to do the ears, and I'm using a 4mm hook and the same wool as the head, and I'm going to start the ear by doing a magic circle. So wrap the wool around your fingers, cross it over, put your hook through the 2 pieces of wool and down through the middle and bring it up like that. And then to start, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to do 6 half double crochets into the magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, and 6. I'm going to pull that tight like so, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet. For round 2, I'm going to do 2 half double crochets into each stitch. So I'm going to start by chaining 1, and into the same stitch I'm going to do 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, into the next stitch, 2 half double crochets, 2, and so on right round. So 2 in each stitch, and that will give you 12 half double crochets at the end. 11 and 12, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet of the round. For the next row, row 3, I'm not going to increase, I'm just going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So that will be 12 half double crochets in round 3. 1, 2, 3, and the last one of that round, 12. And again, slip stitch to the top of your first half double crochet of the round. For round 4, I'm going to increase again. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to do 2 half doubles in the first stitch and 1 half double in the next stitch. 2 half double in the third stitch, sorry, and 1 half double in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that pattern right the way around. 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next stitch. And I've come to the last stitch and 1 half double crochet and slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet of the round. Now your bunny ear is going to start making shape. For the next 3 rows, you're just going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch around, no increasing. So 1 half double crochet around in the next 3 rows. So coming to the last few stitches of row 7, and again slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet of the row, and next row chain 1. Now we're decreasing, so we're going to decrease in 2 and half double crochet in 1. So to half double crochet decrease, you wrap your wool around your hook, insert it into your stitch, wrap your wool around again and pull it up, wrap your wool around again and just pull it through 2 stitches. So you've 2 stitches left on your hook. Wrap your wool around your hook and go through the next stitch, wrap your wool around your hook, pull it up, wrap it around again, pull it through 2 stitches. You will have 3 stitches left, and wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through all 3 stitches. And that's how you do a half double crochet decrease. In the next stitch, just do 1 half double crochet, and in the next 2 stitches decrease again. So you go in like a normal half double crochet, but you just pull your wool through 2 stitches, and you'll have 2 stitches left on your hook, and then go through to the next stitch and pull through all 3. And the next stitch is just an ordinary half double crochet. And so you're going to do that right around to the end. So I've come on to my last stitch, which is a half double crochet on its own, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top like so and pull through. Now the next row is just a round of half double crochets without decreasing. So like every other row, chain 1 and just do a half double crochet around, and you should have 12 stitches. 2, 3, And to the last 2 stitches, 11 and 12. And again, slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet of the round. Now, the next row, you're going to half double crochet decrease in every stitch. So, first 2 stitches, 1, next 2 stitches, 2, and so on. Come to the last 2 stitches, so decrease in the last 2 stitches, like so, and again slip stitch to the top, and it'll start to get a little tight here because you should only have 5 stitches or 6 stitches left. 6, and that's your bunny ear.